Have you ever wanted a specific color of top stitching thread, but it doesn't exist? All you can find is black, tan, and white? Well, today I have a solution for you. And also, have you ever wanted that perfect color of thread to match your garment and you can't find it? I've also got a solution for you today. And the solution for that is sewing with 2 threads and 1 needle, just a regular old straight stitch needle. I am not talking about the twin needle here. So let me show you how this works. To demo this, I'm going to be using 2 different shades of purple. Now I have 2 spool holders on my sewing machine, and you do as well. You might have a separate little spool holder that you need to pop into place. So to thread this, I want you to hold both threads at the same time. And we're just going to thread the machine like normal, but you're going to use both threads at the same time. So once we're at the needle, we also need to thread it with both of the threads. So they should both go right through the eye of the needle. If you're having a hard time with it, you can also use a needle threader. And then let's take both of the threads and just put them behind the foot like normal. So to sew with 2 threads, I have my regular straight stitch on, stitch length 2.5, regular tension. I have not changed any of my settings. Real quick, before we start sewing, if you'd like to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out my online and in-person classes. There's links down below. Now let's get back to double thread. So I have both of my purple threads in. I'm going to use a nice contrasting yellow fabric. You can still back stitch with this method, so I'll add a few back stitches. And you're going to notice that the thread looks nice and thick like a top stitch. I'll back stitch at the end. And let's take a look at it. Look at how nice and thick this stitching line is because we used 2 threads. And you'll notice even though we used 2 different colors of purple, they blend right together. You might be thinking, I don't know, this looks like normal to me. So let me run a single thread next to it so you can really see the difference. So now I've got a single thread in and I'm just gonna add it next to it so you can really see the difference. So now you can really tell the difference between the single thread and the double thread. Our double thread basically looks like a thick top stitching thread, and our single thread, well, looks like a single thread. Isn't this technique really cool? It really solves some of those sewing problems when you need that perfect thread color or weight of thread. I really hope you try out this technique next time you need that perfect top stitching thread. Thank you so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And if you enjoyed the video today, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. So let me know what you'd like to see more of down below in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out the online classes, in-person classes, and the sewing club. There's links down below for everything. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio today, well, make sure you check out my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.